Those who disbelieved are going to have the fire of Jahannam. لا يقضى عليهم. It's not going to do away with them. It's not going to end their case. It's not going to kill them is what it means. لا فيموتوا, so that they could just die. ولا يخفف عنهم. And it's not going to lighten its load on them either. It's not like they're not going to die because the blows aren't lethal enough. No. It's not going to be lightened from them at all. من عذابها, from its punishment. كَذَلِكَ نَجْزِي كُلَّ كَفُورٍ. That is how we compensate every extreme ingrate. Kafur. وَهُمْ يَصْطَرِخُونَ فِيهَا. And they're going to be crying out for help as loud as they can in it. رَبَّنَا أَخْرِجْنَا. Master, get us out of here. نَعْمَلْ صَالِحًا. We'll act righteously. غَيْرَ الَّذِي كُنَّا نَعْمَلْ. Exactly the opposite of what we used to do. Everything I did, I will not do, I promise. أَوَلَمْ نُعَمِّرْكُمْ. The response will come, didn't we give you a long enough age? مَا يَتَذَكَّرُ فِيهِ مَنْ تَذَكَّرُ. The same age that whoever was going to take benefit of the reminder could take benefit in. Didn't you have enough time? Are you saying you didn't get enough time? You didn't get enough warning? I didn't give you enough of a lease in life on this earth that you could get your act together? Are you saying I gave you less than you deserved? وَجَاءَكُمُ النَّذِيرُ. And isn't it the case that the warner came to you? فَذُوقُوا. Then just taste it. This is what you deserve. فَمَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ مِن نَصِيرٍ. For wrongdoers, they're not going to have any aid whatsoever. إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَالِمُ الْغَيْبِ عَالِمُ غَيْبِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. No doubt Allah is the only one, or Allah is in fact the one that knows. He's the knower of the unseen, of the skies and the earth. إِنَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ. No doubt He is fully knowledgeable of the nature of the chest. He knows what's going on deep inside you. This is mentioned right after the ayah of these people asking for an extra bit of time. Allah says, look, I know things that you can't even see. وَمَا يَعْزُبُ. What is this tiny little that can be hidden away from the eyes? And I know your intentions and your speech when you say, give us time, we'll change our behavior. I know your behavior. You're exactly the kind of person, if I do send you back, and I know, I'm not guessing, I know when I send you back, you're going to go back to your old ways again. You are that breed of person. So when I'm letting you stay in hell, it's because you deserve it absolutely. هُوَ الَّذِي جَعَلَكُمْ خَلَائِقَ